Every Thanksgiving, Tony Chachere's original Creole seasoning has been an essential part of our holiday cooking. It's our secret to delivering big, bold flavor with ease. This seasoning is a versatile blend of spices that works on just about anything, but for us, it truly shines when frying our Thanksgiving turkey. We start by generously seasoning the turkey, making sure every surface is coated. The Creole flavor enhances the meat without overpowering it, giving it that perfect balance. In our family, seasoning is key to crispy, flavorful turkey. Yesterday, we paired it with Tony Chachere's Creole butter marinade, injected into the bird, then we fried it to golden perfection. When the turkey came out of the fryer, the skin was perfectly crisp, and the seasoning had infused into every bite. It's a flavor our family looks forward to every year. The food service size is a game changer for us. We use it not just for Thanksgiving, but throughout the year on chicken, pork, and even vegetables. It's a must-have in our kitchen. If you're looking for a way to elevate your holiday meals or any dish, Tony Chachere's original Creole seasoning is a simple way to add authentic flavor.